Talking about weather, what a wild day it was. We're not expecting to see snow in the end of May, the first of June. Pretty amazing, but things happen like that's why weather's so interesting. If I sound a little hoarse, it's because I'm coming off of a cold, but try and put up with me if I get a coughing fit going on. Now, as far as our temperatures are concerned, we are looking at some cold air tonight coming in, and it means there is a possibility of some frost. We've been talking about it earlier. We'll just kind of reinforce that. You can bring in your hanging plants and also start covering up your plants and vegetables tonight for one night, because tomorrow night it should be definitely a lot better off than it is tonight. Photograph tonight, Ron Plummer sent in a photograph looking at Fox yesterday from an upper level destination there. As you can see, a nice day was it. What a difference 2 days make. And as far as photos go, we'd love to have you send us a photo at ktvf11.com. We'll share it with the rest of the audience. Your numbers look like this. And our high today, only 55. The record high was 87 in 1919. Last night's low, 37. Not too far away from the record low of 31 in 1947. Sunrise and sunset, pretty interesting. 3:34 this morning was the sunrise. And the sunset this evening will actually be 12:08 a.m. tomorrow. So it's kind of hard to figure that out, but there's no sunset actually. Daylight time works out to 20 hours and 31 minutes, a gain of 6 minutes from yesterday. On the satellite and radar, you can see the moisture in the cloud area that moved through the area this morning that brought some areas of snow, but for the most part, just a lot of rain into the Fairbanks area. And as far as what lies ahead, well, nothing else upstream, so things are looking pretty good. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, for the most part, we're looking at some showers around the Anchorage Bowl and Kodiak Island. Southeast Alaska looking really nice, up around 70 degrees at Juneau. Cloudy skies along the Aleutian Chain, partly cloudy to clear skies up and down the west coast, 55 at Nome. Barrow at exactly freezing, 32 degrees, and Fort Yukon, 52, and partly cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather. Showers moving across the Pacific Northwest, otherwise nice over the Southwest. Really cooking in Phoenix, 105 degrees there. No more storms to talk about across Texas and the northern plains, which is really nice to see. All that moisture has moved over the northeast. That's even moving out of the picture. You'll see on the satellite and radar where they had just really a lot of rainfall and flooding over the northeast. That's out of the picture. A few afternoon showers and thunderstorms moving off the eastern slopes of the Rockies. That's what you get this time of year, but nothing really organized, so no real severe weather expected. Tomorrow, you can see a little afternoon thunderstorm activity once again expected over Kansas and Nebraska up into the Dakotas, while over to the east, high pressure will be dominating. And high pressure will be dominating over the latter part of this week, with hot temperatures returning to Dallas, close to 90 degrees, and nice up and down the west coast. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Here's what it looks like. Flurries for Barrow, sunny skies for Nome, and mostly sunny skies in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at a pretty nice day. Mostly sunny in Fairbanks, a few showers for Healy, and just partly cloudy skies at Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, looking at mostly cloudy skies in Juneau, and just scattered clouds at Ketchikan. Temperatures not too bad off, a little cooler down around Ketchikan. Over the southwest part of the state, cloudy skies at Cold Bay and Kodiak. Rain showers expected for Bethel, with temperatures in the low 60s. And in the Anchorage Bowl, well, looking at pretty good weather, except for a few widely scattered rain shower activity, mainly across the Valdez and the home area, maybe a few creeping into the Anchorage Bowl. So our forecast for the remainder of the night, before we get into that, we'll tell you real quickly, we do have a frost advisory. We've been talking about it. We'll just kind of enforce this. The frost is possible in low-lying areas, so take in your hanging baskets, cover your other plants for tonight, but it should be warmer tomorrow. We're going to stress that. Now your forecast for tonight. The possible frost in low areas, otherwise clear skies, 36 degrees. Tomorrow's forecast looking at 62 degrees, mostly sunny skies early, then increasing clouds, and the low tomorrow night will be in the 40s. So we'll be out of the cold temperatures once again. And the 5-day outlook looks pretty nice. You can see temperatures warming back up to around 70 degrees for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday, looking at daytime highs in the low 70s. And also overnight lows will be warming up too. As you can see, the overnight low will be once again in the low 40s, up to 50 degrees by Sunday. And the chance of rain will be mainly on Wednesday. Just a chance of showers, that's about it. But what a surprise that was, seeing snow falling in Salsa.
Yeah.
Well, I remember, I think it was 2 summers ago when the state track meet was over here at Lathrop, and it was snowing like in the middle of May, and I thought I was on another planet. So